It's Mariana's birthday.
Mariana, sono di canale, lindo.
Anche você. Fala in inglese, Mariana.
Cosa mi fa? I don't speak.
Summer is truly here in Cabo Verde. It's festival season, as you've been watching. There's lots of music and noise in the streets. And it's hot. It's not hot like it is in the rest of the world. Temperatures here are between 24 degrees at night and 28 degrees in the day. It's really not that bad. In fact, it's quite nice. I really like it at night. You know, it's warm, hot. It's hot here is because the winds have gone. Usually the winds are blowing the crap out of our boats and moving us around and creating waves and getting us all wet, and it's kind of cold and stuff, and really gets on your nerves. But now, it's nice, there's no wind, but it's hot. Now, as a result of this heat, we hang out in the cockpit more. And last weekend, Peter came over and he gets really hot. Poor Canadian dude just can't take this heat, so he's always hanging out in the cockpit. He and the girls were hanging out down here. And I'm not too sensitive to the heat. I kind of like it. I don't mind to sweat, and I don't get overheated too much. And as Peter's sitting here, and I'll show you where exactly. Peter's sitting here. It's nice. There's air coming through the roof dodger here. He's like, "Yo, Alex, you need to check this out." Whoa. Now he's got a real point here. I've got to do something about that. I don't know what some of you may think I could do, what your ideas are. I mean, I may take the whole thing off, bring it to a lathe guy who's done work for me before, and maybe can weld a piece of aluminum in there and re-drill the hole. Maybe we could put some kind of stainless steel cylinder or something, but then there may be corrosion. I don't know. Anybody has any ideas? Let me know. But anyways, you see, when things kind of get hot and sweaty here, also find some problems that need to be resolved and solved, because I would hate for this thing to break. Okay, granted, if it broke out in the ocean, we could tie it down with something, but it's always better to prevent, right, than cure, because then have it break. So anyway, so there it is. And that poor little puppy there is just crying and crying, man. Hate that. I'm gonna call Brune. Tell him to do something about that. Hola, Brune. Moss. Porque chora chiu, man. Tenta tzata de catamarana bubak la bakara. Chora. E griensi ne salta, ma per si spia sombre o qualche cosa. Ja, faz popô lá. Bakleoja. Mam, senti triste pra ele. Compreende? Ja, falou bem? Ok, tá cool. Ma agora per que ele é quieto. Não dizer nada, me quer sabe. Okay, ciao, Bruno.
Look, I want to let you in on something. Wendy has been blowing me off lately. Anyways, look, she's got her life and I've got mine. And I've been wanting to get to know Mariana here, on the left, a little bit better. So I invited her for dinner. And later, she asked if she could invite her friend Cynthia, whom is a friend too. Well, there you go. That's how it works in Mindelo. If a girl busts your balls, well, as you can see, there's plenty of fish in the sea. The culture here is so different. People live for today and not for the future. Mariana told me she wished she could stay until Monday, and tonight was Friday. She said Monday was her birthday. Well, of course you can, Mariana. Local philosophy is, enjoy life today, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. Well, then tomorrow came.
This is Mariana's second time swimming only in her whole life, and she's a natural. She just swims. Really cool.
The first time she swam was with me a year or so ago, and she was amazing. She just naturally swam with no help. It was incredible. It's little moments like these that bring me so much joy here.
Good.
Peter was having a party on his boat. It's nice here because we're all moored next to each other. There's a few of us living aboard here, and we all look after each other and like to invite friends to have fun, play loud music. Later Marisia came, always a pleasure, and it was photo session time. Here, we're in our little bubble. Nobody bothers us.
We got my friend Marisa here.
Hi guys.
We're celebrating Mayara's birthday. So now we're gonna make her some spaghetti. Meanwhile out there is Mayara and Cynthia.
Hey! Hello!
Ikaw din pala. Hindi ko sabi fala English. I don't speak English.
Oh!
I
speak English a little bit.
It was Sunday night, and Lily and Peter came over. We sang happy birthday for Mariana. Lily had a birthday gift for her. You'll never guess. Nipple rings. There you go.
What'd you say, Peter?
Alex, shit, all over me. And oh, good. That's going on the internet, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's super. That's what I want.
If that isn't a sign of a true friend, literally help you deal with your shit.
In the middle of the night.
In the middle of the night.
When there's four
girls waiting for us. And
waiting just for me if you're stuck here. They're not waiting for us if you're not coming back. You're stuck over here. I could just be there with 4 girls and... Oh no.
That hose was cemented shut with calcium, salt, and poop, hard as rock. It was a horror show.
I'm going to show you how you should have done this when you first built it. Just take this whole thing off. I had to take it apart. 7 turns. Right? And then you just put the hose in. Here, hold that end for a sec so it doesn't hit me in the face. This is brand new. This stuff in here doesn't matter. Yeah, it's like fucking brand new. I hope so. Jesus Christ.
It had been around 5 years since I replaced that hose and cleaned out the whole system. And here we are, in the middle of the night, gone from a comfortable buzz with a bunch of girls to deal with this shit. Peter, you are a true friend.
I was the worst sauna workout, man.
Alright.
Jesus.
I never like. I never like. I never like.
It's the morning after. Well, we had made it to Monday, and it wasn't over. Except for me, it was. A few days later, Peter asked me to come to get new, bigger solar panels for his boat. He needs more energy. Later, I had something to do too.
Still have a slight problem with my generator. The pool cord hole is all messed up. When Peter and I cleaned out my bowels of my boat, we used this kind of broom handle, and it broke. But I didn't throw it away, because I thought I could have a use for it. This, ladies and gentlemen, may just work. Put a hole through there, screw it onto my generator, pull cord to go through there, and maybe this will stop it from chafing and breaking. It is about to rain. There's a couple low pressure systems that are coming through and it's kind of cool. So I got my water collection system down because here being in the blue you don't have much water. You have to get it back and forth with the jerry cans and
no, it did not rain. Nothing, nada. So I took my rain catcher down and stored it for a rainy day.
Never let go.
It was great to have you along on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday. So welcome aboard.
I never like. I never like. I never like. I never like.